Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day on this one. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, which actually looks kind of silly right now. But I promised yesterday that level was actually relevant, which brings about the first update that I'm doing. I'm just going to make an adjustment. And the key dynamic here is, well, what direction is the adjustment being made? And in this situation, one of the newest areas of support is now right up there at $11, so not to insult your intelligence, but as you saw, I need to adjust that green line up higher, and that's what you want to see. Assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's definitely a step in the right direction. That is a nice sign of genuine strength. So going forward, $11 now remains that ideal level of support, and I emphasize ideal because it's not like if the price falls below $11, then that all of a sudden means the entire chart's destroyed and ruined or anything like that. But I mean, yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power. And then taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to just gauge the health of the overall move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 11 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first key level going to be right up there at, we'll call it $13.75. And then the next level, not that far away, just simply where did the party and momentum stop today? And that's right up there about $14.60. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, just building higher lows. Because as long as those lows keep getting higher and higher, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.